I had a lot of fun thrifting glassware for this project. I got all sorts of different little things. I love these tea lights because when they flip upside down, they are perfect for the trees that we're going to make. I've used a 2-part epoxy to glue glass before, but I decided to try this marine and RV glue. I started out with a candlestick and then I glued a bowl on it upside down, and then I used these little mini bowls in between for kind of a riser, and I just put that on top and then kept adding bowls upside down and then these little risers all the way to as high as I wanted to go. And I really pushed my limits with the height here, but I wanted to make something large. I turned my video off right after this and then the whole thing collapsed. So I rebuilt it back up, but I did make it 1 level shorter. And I still had lots of glass left, so I decided to make another smaller version. Then I used this mirror paint and I spray painted it on the glass, and then in between I squirted it with vinegar in that squirt bottle. It's just straight vinegar, and I basically just did this in layers to kind of create a bit of a mercury glass effect. And if you need to dab it dry with paper towel, you can do that as well. I will warn you, the mirror glass paint smells like nail polish. It is so potent, so just keep that in mind. And this is how my thrifted glass trees turned out. What do you guys think? Hit that subscribe button for more DIY craft, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.